Meaning of full board.
Full board.
Full board.
Full board.
Full board. Full board typically refers to a type of lodging package that includes all meals. This means that when you book a full board stay, the cost of your accommodation covers breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is a convenient option for travelers who wish to have an all-inclusive experience without the hassle of searching for restaurants. Additionally, some full-board resorts may offer special dining experiences or themed meals as part of the package. Overall, full board is a great option for those who want to enjoy a complete vacation experience without worrying about food expenses.